Hi, this is David Birch with the Take 5 28-day challenge. This is week number 3, and this is day 15, and we are going to be doing Shi-Shi-Hu breathing, in, out breathing. Very similar to the physiological sigh or cyclic breathing. However, we do link our breath to our motion. So it's an inhale, another inhale, and an exhale. Inhale, inhale again, and exhale. The exhale can be through the nose or the mouth. The inhale is always through the nose if you can. We are going to follow the breathing with a walking meditation using the in and out breathing. This is known as Guo Lin walking, named after its founder. Also, recovery walking or cancer recovery walking. No claims there. It's just that Qigong helps with everything. Very holistic, meditative walk that is good for you. Get out in nature, breathing slowly, regulating the nervous system, letting the body do its job with the healer within. Inhale, inhale again, exhale. In, out. In, out. In, out. Keep on going. Link your breath to your movement. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Breathing in again, and out. Inhale, inhale fully, exhale fully. We can speed up, we can slow down, we can breathe out through the nose, we can breathe out through the mouth. In, out. In, out. In, out. We've been linking our breath to our arms. We can also link our breath to our legs when we step in, out. In, out. Step, come up, step. Turn. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Keep walking, go that way. Something gets in your way, turn. Take a group with you. Get the socialization benefits as well. Get out in nature. And that's my car. So it's time for me to leave. And I'll see you tomorrow on the next day of this Take 5 28-day challenge.